What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man, and you see we back with another video gang. But today, bro, I know y'all boys see that, man. We took that hood off. You feel me? I just got the intake too. If y'all boys watched my last video, man, you already know I told y'all boys I was gonna get that intake, bro, and it's in. You feel me? I would have did an install video, bro, but it ain't really that hard, bro. It shouldn't be that hard to install it. But if y'all want to see an install video, I can still make one, you feel me? But I just want y'all boys to see how this thing looking, man. It honestly looks so good, bro. And you don't know how many people I'm about to make mad with this one, you feel me? You know they gonna be crying, you feel me? But hey, let them get mad, bro. Cause one thing, I ain't gonna lie, bro. One thing I really learned, bro. No matter what, bro, people gonna hate regardless, bro. If I had a motherfucking Hellcat mode in this bit right now, a motherfucker gonna be like, why I ain't get the demon? You feel me? People, that's just how people is, you feel me? So, I'm not really worrying about nothing with anybody talking about, bro. Cause at the end of the day, you not driving this motherfucker. I drive this motherfucker. I put gas in this motherfucker. And I pay for this motherfucker. So guess what? This is my personal preference of how I want my whip, you feel me? This is how I want my shit. You feel me? The other day, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro, it be funny sometimes when I read a mad person in the comments, bro, cause, bro, the other day somebody was mad, bro. I had somebody mad, bro. Bro was mad because, oh, copyright, hold up. Bro, somebody was mad because of my cluster, gang. Bro was mad because I swapped my cluster. Bro was like, yo, shit did not have no 15K miles, all this woo-wop woo-dee. Brother, it's my truck. Like, I'm driving this. Like, why is you mad? Bro, it's funny to me, bro, when people get mad because of what somebody else is doing. You mad because I'm driving my truck, brother. That's where the issue come in. You feel me? Like, my main thing is, bro, just be you, bro. Do you. You feel me? Not everybody even got transportation. So, like, I understand it. I'm grateful, bro. I'm grateful for everything I got, and I thank God for everything that I got, bro. So, it's different with me, you feel me? And I had to work for my shit. You feel me? Ain't nobody just give me this, bitch. Fuck no, I had to work for this shit, bro. So, it's different when you ain't just getting no handout, you feel me? When you gotta work for everything, it's a little different, brody. It's a little different, you feel me? But y'all already know, man. I told y'all boys I was gonna give y'all boys the intake video, but I ain't tell y'all I was taking the hood off. I ain't tell y'all that, you feel me? I ain't tell you, that's the brand and stuff. It's a cheap intake, bro. I wasn't about to buy no expensive cannon and all this extra shit. Just cause, like, bro, it don't make no sense. I'm about to engine swap it. So I'm not about to spend all that on the intake and I'm about to engine swap it. It don't make sense. I really just did it for the fun of it, bro. But I love how the red look and the red Brembo calibers. It looks so cold, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But I think tomorrow, bro, I ain't gonna lie. The reason why I'm so hyped, bro. The reason why I'm so hyped, bro, is because tomorrow I got a lot of more parts coming in. And like the rest of this week, bro, it's just about to be crazy. You feel me? Like, buku parts coming in. The videos about to start going crazy, you feel me? This just was like the start of it all, bro. The real bumper's supposed to come in either tomorrow or the day after that. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, like, it's time, bro. It's about that time, bro. So, it's about that time, man. Y'all boys, if you haven't listened, man, if you haven't, like, comment, subscribe right now, bro. Because I'm telling you, bro, like, this Jeep, bro, is about to be a real, like, this is one of the craziest builds yet, brother. Y'all see what's going on, bro? Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro, this thing looks so good in here, though. Like, for what it is, it look good. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it 100. A lot of people probably be like, oh, the intake probably ain't even add no horsepower, woo-wop-woo-dee. Being real, bro, I do feel an increase in torque. And I see a little bit horsepower because when I hit the gas, it do pick up a little bit quicker now. I'm not gonna lie to you. And maybe that's, of course, that's because it's just more air. It's sucking in, you feel me? So I mean, that's what it's gonna do, you feel me? It's actually a legit intake, bro. Like, it's a cheap little intake, but it's actually legit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And it sound, I ain't gonna lie, that's one thing about it. It actually sound real good, bro. So if y'all boys think about getting this intake, I highly recommend it, bro, because it do sound real good, bro. And I know y'all boys probably like, man, it's just a little intake, it ain't nothing too crazy. Well, once the motor come in, I ain't gonna lie, the motor, I already told y'all, the motor gonna be the last probably thing that I do, bro, cause y'all already know that's like the biggest thing of it all, you feel me? The bumper, I'm getting the bumper in, I'm gonna do the suspension, I'm gonna do all of the, I'm doing the exhaust, I'm doing the bumper, the exhaust, probably a little bit more in the interior, suspension work, lowering springs, and then the motor, bro. That's how we gonna do it. That's exactly how we gonna do it, bro. Because like, for one, I already said I'm gonna make sure I have the fresh, brand new suspension, the yellow struts on all four sides, you feel me? All upgraded parts all around this bit, bro. Because me, son, I just want to have my build 100% solid. Like, I want my build to really be a reliable. It probably ain't gonna be too reliable, depending on how I drive it. But I just know whatever build I make, bro, I'm gonna be able to get my money back from it if I do choose to sell it. So that's why it's like, I don't know, bro. I just like, me, I'm the type of person, I'd rather customize a car, bro, than buy it already complete. Cause I feel like, bro, like, if you got, like, they had this saying, I ain't gonna lie, son, if you got everything you ever wanted right now, you wouldn't really have nothing to look forward to, bro. So it's like, that's why sometimes, bro, a lot of people don't be understanding why I do what I do, bro. But me personally, I like the journey, bro. Like, I like going through the good and the bad, you feel me? Cause literally, if y'all boys been watching my channel, y'all already knew they had a point in time where I had a whole wreck. The Jeep, after I fixed it out of Copart, I got in an accident after it was fixed. You feel me? I had a whole wreck, brother. A whole wreck, brother. But it wasn't my fault, you feel me? It was the other person's fault. You know, they hit my truck. But it's still like, bro, before things get better, bro, you always gonna go through the storm. You feel me? That's just how it go, bro. And this is like real living proof, bro. Like, no matter what you go through, gang, you could get through it, bro. And my grill lights, they coming in tomorrow too, brother. So that one, it's like, bro, I'm telling you, bro, hard work pays off, bro. Just keep grinding, keep God first, keep doing what you need to, bro. And I promise you, bro, if you want one of these, bro, you could have one of these, bro. It ain't about none of this other BS, bro. Like, just keep doing what you need to, bro. Keep grinding and keep God first, bro. And that's all you need, bro. I'm telling you. Just focus on yourself, bro, because everybody else, they got their own journey. Everybody on their own mission. Everybody's journey is different, bro. So that's why at the end of the day, all you could do is control what you could control, bro. All the other shit is out the way, bro. It's out the way, bro. So, but I ain't gonna talk y'all boys' heads off, man. I ain't gonna talk y'all heads off, bro. I just want to let y'all boys know, though, son. I'm telling you, bro, like, this shit, bro, I ain't gonna lie, by the end of this year, this Jeep is gonna look so different, bro. Like, oh my gosh, bro. And I ain't even tell y'all boys, bro, this is the last thing I'm gonna say, bro. Just know, bro, your boy might be rapping they Jeep. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. I ain't saying nothing else. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. So that's all I'm gonna give y'all boys is, hey, I didn't give y'all enough, bro. Y'all just gotta wait for the content, nah, bro. But if you're new, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. It's your boy Young J, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video, gang. Peace, brother.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.